MyKayla Skinner surprised everyone, including herself, when she won silver for the vault. Stepping in for Simone Biles, she competed and she came out second, just behind Brazilian. She was poised, confident, not missing a step. The thing is, she wasn't expecting to compete in this event. It was Simone Biles' premier event. And winning silver while not expecting to compete, now that's an achievement. Here's what she said. I dedicate this medal to Simone. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for her. I told her I'd be doing this one for her. She said, don't do it for me, do it for yourself. So technically it's for all of us. I feel so humbled to compete in the vault final, so I didn't think it was going to happen. I've worked very hard, took time off from college, University of Utah, and was an alternate in 2016. Here's another example how Simone Biles, in her maturity, stepping aside, has allowed gymnasts who've grown with her to excel. It's another testament to Simone about how her legacy in gymnastics will be legendary. As always, feel free to subscribe to continue to keep you updated with the Olympics. Thanks.